Hi, so here we are at the Kepaniwai at the Japanese garden. This is the tea house, kind of looking pretty bad. It's like there's been repairs done over the past, but it doesn't quite match up. The shoji's here, it's plywood. So this is plywood. Over here, it's like fiberglass or something. That's why they're discolored. The wood lats are different sizes. So our idea is to restore the outside, and then we'll go inside and we'll show you the inside because it was never finished on the inside. So there's not any lights, but as you can see, it's like the floor is just a plywood floor. The reverse sides of the shojis aren't done, they're just panels. There's nothing as far as the ceiling piece. You can see there's electrical wiring. So yeah, if the doors could open, then it would be a nice view out to the pond. So you can see how the rebar is exposed and it's all rusting away. So that has to be eventually fixed, strengthened because they're compromised. So I'm risking my life right now. Here we are at the fence, and this is like the main gate, the entrance to the Japanese garden. The continuation of the fence that used to go from there over to here. So this all has to be rebuilt. All the wood is rotting away. These panels are all gone except for this one. Yeah, here's planks out of the fence. Vegetation growing out of it, so that all has to be replaced. I think we should preserve this because the Japanese play an integral part in the life of Hawaii, Maui. So we should represent our culture just as strongly as any of the other exhibits on the island. Historically, this area has a lot of significance. So as far as representing the Japanese culture, I think we should do a better job.